Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, and pardon my voice. I have been sick. It is currently October. I don't know when this video is going to post because, as you know, I film early and I already have all my November videos planned and my December videos planned, but I need to make a birthday card. My boyfriend's mom asked me to make her a birthday card, and I'm hoping it's not too late because, as I said, I've been sick. So this is like the first time I've actually gotten down here in a few days. So I'm going to make her a quick birthday card. I need to cut this to 4 1/4, not 5, 4 1/4, you guys, because I'm doing a top flip, which I never do, but I had an idea last night when I was laying in bed going, I really need to make this card. What should I do for this card? Also, I feel like I'm yelling because my ears are clogged. Listen, my kid got all of us sick. I'm so mad. All of us. So I'm going to score 5.5 to make this a top flip card. And then I'm going to pull that trimmer out again because I want to trim out some of the top flap. My plan is to make, hold on. Let me change out my lights. There you go. That's better. I know it's darker, but at least it's not being drowned out by the bright lights. I really need to do something about my lighting in here. They replaced the lights in here months ago, and I just feel like they're still sucky. Okay, so I want to cut off 1 inch from both sides. Okay. And I'm just going to flip it and do the same thing. I want to do 3 presents. Okay. That is my plan. 3 presents. And they're going to be stacked on top of each other. There it is. So I want it to look like this, and this be a present, and it flips up, and there's the back of the card, but all the presents are going to be stacked on top of each other. Do you understand what I'm trying? I don't know why I keep putting the trimmer away. I need the trimmer. So this is now, I can't math, 2 1/4 inches by 5.5. So I need a piece of paper that is 2 1/4 by 5.5. I'm going to use this right here. So let's just cut to 2 1/4. Okay. And then 5.5. So I'm going to have this glued onto here. So this is present 1, and I'm going to put bow around it. Okay. And then we're going to do another one, and I want it to be long and thin. So let's do the opposite. Let's do 2.5 and by 3.5. I'll make it a good rectangle, but it's going to go this way. So it's going to look like this. Okay. I'm going to actually maybe cut it 1/4 inch off. Okay. So this was 3.5. Let's go to 3 1/4. So it lines up with the edge of this one. So it'll look like this. And then I'm going to do another one with this striped paper here. And let's make this one also 3 1/4, right? But we're going to make it taller. So let's make it square. Okay, let's see how that looks. I'm going to get twine out then. Oh, okay. Well. Oh, wrong one. It's fine. And I think like this. So then it's like a stack of presents. Let's cut this down a little bit. It's not as narrow as I wanted it. I wanted it more 2 inch. That's better. So it looks like that, a stack of gifts. And I'm going to put twine around them to make them look like bows. All right, let's do that. I have this. I got this at Ollie's on the dollar table at Ollie's the other day. Let's use the black. Considering it's for a guy and this is already, maybe I should use a different paint. There's a lot of pink. There's blue in it too. Get over it. Not everything has to be browns and blacks to be masculine. All right, let's cut off a length of this. I'm gonna grab my tape so I can tape this in place in the back, because what I want to make sure I do is have it up far enough that the bow will come up here. Okay, so I need to figure it out. I need to figure it out, you guys. So it would go this way, back here, and then just give me a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to pull this up here and this longer piece down there, but I want this up high because we don't want it to be covered. I'm just going to take a piece of tape and tape it down. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to pull this up, this down, and then we're going to, I'm going to put this under, and we're going to tie a bow. If I could, you guys, tie a bow, I would. Jeez Louise. Okay, actually, let me take the tape and put a little bit so it stops moving down here at the bottom. Let's see, put it in the middle. There you go. When in doubt, tape your shit down, guys. Seriously. There's no rule that says you can't. And I'm very sorry about my voice. Like I said, that kid got all of us sick. So mad. I'm like, seriously? And the thing was, he came home and he's like, I have a sore throat. And we're all like, get away from us. Does he listen? No, because he thinks it's fucking funny. All right. Oh, somebody must be home. I hear the big dog tippy tapping down the hallway. Okay. There we go. That's better. Come on. There we go. My fingers do not want to cooperate. You know what I've been doing? I've been doing my December daily shorts. So my brain is a little frazzled because I'm just at the point where I don't know exactly anymore what I'm doing for my December daily. I'm like I said, you're seeing this way after you see all that stuff, but boy, oh boy, am I working on it now, and I am shot. All right, we're going to put this on this page right here. Okay, let's see, it already looks really cute. We're going to glue it. I don't want to put too much dimension on it because it has to get mailed out. I'm also going to flip this up so we can line it up and not worry about getting it on the back of the card. Oh, look at one. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Come on. There we go. Okay, and I need to trim like that. And like that. Okay, that's better. All right, so we have the first one on. Now we want to do this taller one. We're going to move that. And I think For this one, we're going to have to use a little foam, but I am not going to wrap. Actually, we should put it like this instead of on there. Okay, and I'm not going to put a bow like that on it this time. So it's going to go like this. And I'll figure out the bow situation once we put it on. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. That needs a bow. Let's see. Let me look to see what I have. Okay. I think I'm just going to make a bow. A bow. Like so. Like that. And then I really want to use this star. Maybe not. Maybe just put that like that. Or down in the middle of the box. I don't know. I had a vision. My vision is just maybe not working out for me today. But that's all right. That happens, you guys. I'm just going to put a strip of glue right there. And glue this down. All right, and we're going to let that dry. And then we have this one that's going to go here. And I think what I'm going to do is wrap it around here on the side. That way we don't have to worry about it being in the way. And I'm just going to wrap it around a few times and then do a bow. So then they look like a bunch of presents. Okay. All right. So I'm going to leave this up here so I can tie a bow. I'm going to wrap this around and then have that one there. I think, is that where it's going to be? Yep. And give me 1 second. Okay, I think I'm going to make a little tag that says happy birthday and hang it off of, I could probably pull this up, hang it off of this and glue that back down. This is what I think I'm going to do. It needs something. No, I don't know, you guys. My brain is fried. I don't know. We're just going to stick with our original plan, which was what this looks like. That's it. I'm not going to change it because I feel like if I change it, I'm going to end up hating it. You know? You know what I mean? Like, if I change it, I'm going to end up hating it. This is why I don't craft when I don't feel well, because I can't think. All right, let's continue on. Let's just wrap this up. I don't think I'm going to do this one in a bow. I'm just going to, I don't know, we'll see. Can we make a small bow, you think? I didn't leave myself enough room. Well, while I had a little bit of a coughing fit, I tied a bow off camera while I was coughing my brains out. It's fine. I will survive. I've been sick since today is, what is today? Today is Thursday. I've been sick since Monday, Sunday. I don't even know. All right, so we have that one. And now we're just going to glue this one on. So I'm going to glue on this side because we don't need glue over there. So I'm going to do the same thing I did and line it up like so. Okay, so now when you get the card, you flip it up and you can write all back there. So that looks like a stack of presents. To me anyway, you let me know. Looks like a stack of gifts. Oh, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I literally can't even finish the video. I had to stop and cough again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Excuse me again for my voice. I'm so very sorry. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.